Well, my package just came in the mail. What's up, guys? Neon 0100 here. And I'm in the car currently waiting to get home so I can do this little unboxing for all of you. I have a feeling I know just what it is, but, well, actually, I do know what it is. It's, well, you guys will see soon enough. Oh, yeah, also, I played in a Street Fighter tournament, and I got second place today. So, that's nice. See you guys back at the house. Now that I'm back home, let's grab the scissors right quick so we can open this up. Dog mount. There's that. Oh no. See if we can just open it like this now. Seems like I made a good choice to just cut this end right quick. One-handed unboxings. Package slip, right? Set the camera down right quick. Yep. The Killer Instinct Ultimate Source Fulgore collectible figure, Series 1, Wave 1. Let's take a look at the box here. As we can see, it comes with full body articulation, comes with a removable base, includes Fulgore figure, a second interchangeable head accessory, head and blade, weapon blade accessories, and includes interactable head and blade. I just said that. Then it has the whole go to Killer Instinct, Ultimate Source KillerInstinct.com to see additional figures. A new Fulgore is online with the singular directive: eliminate enemies of ultra. Oh yeah, it makes sense. So we get this. There's no tape. It's not a one-hand unboxing anymore. Right here we can see the little thing for the. It also comes with my code. But it's covered up, so yeah. Here's the accessories, along with one for probably the base. Yep, more basic accessories along with the new head. So, we're able to take off Fulgore's head. Yay! Who doesn't want to do that? So you can see he's just stuck in this little plastic thing. So let's get him out of that. Slight goof in the recording, but we have the Fulgore figure right here. Interesting, and we have the base. So that's cool. I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with this, and I'll get back to you guys when I figure it out. As we can see right here, this is what I have set for my Fulgore. And let's just get a nice little round view. I even put together the stage and all of that. And we actually get to see his back, which is actually kind of cool. And yeah, that's my little unboxing for the Ultimate Source fulgore review. Unboxing thing. We also have the, oh no, the head's right here. We also have the head, and if I can just get them out right quick, the blades. If I remember correctly, this is the military set in Ignore Jolly Ranchers. So yeah, fulgore. It's time to put some work in. See you guys next time.